Henne kasngi kasan tarik unai lor kedai kasngi ke bahakari India hi barok away. Lakhanya ka kum kasngi ke bakarpang jongkin hikai. Kentop nandu kino hikai skol hadu ki college bat ki wayde ki jing pule. Ringkat ha barok way kari hakani ke jelaru la rakhe gani kasngi. Bat ka way na ki jing rakhe ke bakabati CCTV ke layo ban saki. Kadai ke bala pelong dak sarkar jela hapo Sosotham auditorium Shillong. Hakani ki jing rakhe dak spangot kino hikai na ki skol baper na kalanga jela. Kila syakot sobha kan top ru yikitu ki bala syajet ban pun kop buram bat ai kusnam kum kadak kejing ai mensem bat penslur yiki wei pat ban ai kejing syakri ke bajanai tam na kebenta ban kenti yu kejing nang jing start ha kejilla ha kani kejing rakhe ha kani kesnam ya ka state level teachers day ke basan pusan ke menteri sarkar ke barang sushim ti dang shen ya ketnat pule puthi kejilla ke Deborah Marak kana long ka kongsan bat haswa ban sedang ya kejing rakhe layo ya ki kintin pidang sobha ya kinang wan simenta now director jong ketnat Directorate of School Education and Literacy UAC Marak bat layo ru ya kejing kran lamprang halor kani kejing rakhe now Commissioner and Secretary jong ketnat pule puthi uba Donald P. Waklang.
We learn everything. To learn there is no age word. It is true. So we need to learn many things. As long as we exist, we learn. My dear teachers, we have entered into a new era of education. I wanted to tell education is a key to transform development. This is the only way to transform our style of living. When the teacher no longer just teach but plant, that's what my Commissioner Secretary said just now. That is why today I am also very new minister here, Education Minister. But I am very happy today, I am lucky to celebrate Teachers' Day with you all, and I know I will learn many things from you all. So I do promise today, let us learn together and continue to educate ourselves and to impart education to our innocent young children.
Where we go, every time we look back on this road, you'll always be a part of who we are. Everything we've known, every seed of greatness you have sown, through good and bad, your love has watched us grow. You taught us right and wrong, inspire us to be strong. Give me
Thank you.